Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to reset the App Store balance to 0 to change the country. So for this, open your browser, type getsupport.apple.com and reach there. Tap on sign in and sign in using your Apple ID. Tap on continue. And after the sign in is completed, tap on this search and search billing and subscription. Search it. Now after reaching there, scroll down and tap on click chat message chatting, and after reaching this page, enter your email, order number and tap on additional details. Now after reaching this additional detail, click and submit your request, the issue which you are facing with the App Store balance. Write down everything here and tap on continue, and then it will move ahead. So that's it. That's how you will reset your Apple App Store balance to 0. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.